Using the search tool. How can you use the search tool in Microsoft Excel? In order to use that, you go to Home. Under Home, you can find on the right, farthest right here, you can click the Find and Select, and you can click on that and click Find. You can find, let's say, the word, let's say, that contains 277, which is this cell. Then press Next. So any number that contains that, it will highlight the cell. Also, you can replace that number. Let's say, if find 277 and replace it with, let's say, 300, you can replace all, or just replace this part here, the 300, the present selection, or you can replace it all, replace that 277 into 300. Let's click replace all. So they're all done. There's a 13 replacement. So this is changed into 300. So that's find and replace. So the shortcut, there's another option here. You can find within the sheet, rows, formulas, if you are working for formulas, but for now we are going to work basically on this one. Or you can find all. No, what was that? Find all. Replace. Find next. Find all. We couldn't find. Okay. Because the 277 is no longer there. That's why because earlier we changed it to 300. That's why it cannot find anymore. So it will give you an alarm. The shortcut for, let's say I didn't click this find and select tool. The shortcut for that is Control F, and it will give you the same form of search. This find and replace. So let's say we are going to change the desk into description. Replace desk into description, and I want to change it all. So it changed more than 3,000 of replacement. So you can use that tool, the find and replace tool. Close it. Say you can change anywhere in the cell. You select find. Or if you want to look for a particular, let's say I want to look only on this column, you can highlight this column and Control F. What it will look for, only the data. It will look for a data that contains on the highlighted column. Let's say I want to look for 300. Find next. See, it will only look for here, but it will not look from the unselected area. So that's one way you can customize your search or search or find tool, and you can also replace it. Okay. Or let's say let 300, we want this 300 into 277 again, and replace it. You can change it as is. So you can see it change. That's a find and replace tool. How it's handy to use in your worksheet. So this is the tutorial. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.